Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today guys, and my new culture will be to Northern and LNER, cross country and to LNER. I will be off to Morpeth on the forest train and from Morpeth on the 777 back to the gym in America. So here we go guys, enjoy a couple of trains here. I'll tell you guys what a couple of trains are coming from a minute. In a minute guys, in a minute. And here we go guys, now we're going to watch each other leave.
Sorry, I have to go. No, it's okay.
This is pretty cool now. So here we go, yeah, update you guys with a couple more trains are coming from a minute. Sing a minute guys, sing a minute. Here we go guys, it's trains leaving. Yeah, trains off to London King's Cross guys. So here we go guys, I don't think I got a couple more trains are coming from a minute. Sing a minute guys, sing a minute. Here we go guys, there's trains coming in now. I don't think I got any trains leaving in a minute. Sing a minute guys, sing a minute. Here we go guys, now we're going to watch this train go. I'm going to turn over this one. Can't I return the disc one? I'm just trying to left now. So we're going to update you guys when a couple more trains are coming from a minute. Sing a minute guys, sing a minute. And so we're going, his train's coming in. This is a Northern service to Hexham guys. I want to go down. So here we go, I'll just you guys when you're living in me. Sing a minute guys, sing a minute. And here we go, now we're going to watch this train go. Northern Series 1, Northern Series 1 day card, Northern Series 1 day, Northern Series 1 day card, and to Hexham. And this is a train just left now. So now guys, yeah, the train's off to Hexham now guys.
We'll go home and have some biscuits.
So here we're going to update you guys with a couple. So here we're going to update you guys with a couple more trailers coming from the minute. Sing a minute, guys. Sing a minute. Guys, it's trying to leave now, guys.
It's going to Hexham.
I think everyone's going to Hexham,
Go
guys.
back to the depot, I think.
No, everyone's gone back to the depot, guys. So here we're going to update you guys. We're going to try to leave in a minute. Sing a minute, guys. Sing a minute. And so we go, guys, there's trains coming in. Yes, one's going from Carnegie to Morpeth. So here we're going to update you guys. We're going to try to leave in a minute. Sing a minute, guys. Sing a minute. And so we're going to watch this train go. I'm putting in the 996 and over service from Carnegie to Morpeth.
Show me what you really need. I don't need a diamond ring. I don't need your love and a melody. I don't need your diamond ring. I don't need your last man standing.
So here we're going to update you guys with a couple more trains coming from the minute. Sing a minute, guys. Sing a minute. And here we go, guys. Here's a train coming in. I think this one came from Morpeth to Carnegie, guys.
1923 Northern service to Carlisle via Hexham. Calling at Gateshead Metro Centre, Leyden, Wylam, Crodder, Stocksfield, Riding Mill, Corbridge, Hexham, Aden Bridge, Garden Mill, Portwhistle, Brampton, Wetherall and Carlisle.
Penalty fares apply on this service. You must buy a ticket before boarding this train.
So now you guys are going to check up to everyone and go to Carnegie, guys. So here we're going to update you guys on the train. We're going to make it. Sing a minute, guys. Sing a minute.